Assembly video for our anti-theft Samsung tablet countertop stand. Freestanding base installation options. Attach the base. Attach the column to the base using the provided bolts through the underside of the base, then tighten until secure using the provided hex wrench. Insert the plugs into the holes in the base. Bolt down installation. If desired, the freestanding base can be secured to a wood surface using the provided screws through the 3 holes in the freestanding base. Push the plugs out of the 2 holes with the hex wrench. Then, secure the base to your surface using the provided screws. Grommet base installation options. Attach the base. Attach the column to the grommet base using the provided bolts through the underside of the base as shown, then tighten until secure using the provided hex wrench. Place the mount over the grommet hole and attach the hand screw through the grommet plate and into the base of the column. Cable management. Pass cables through the top of the column and out through the hole on the back. To help keep the cables in place, run them through the cable pass-through, then plug it into the hole in the base of the column. Attach the tablet case to the column. Attach the tablet case to the end of the column in the orientation shown here using the provided bolts through the 4 bolt holes in the center of the case. Insert the tablet. Open the tablet case using the key. Position the adjustable sliders according to your tablet model. Insert the tablet and power cable, then close and lock the case. Rotation. The tablet case may be rotated 90 degrees to change between landscape and portrait orientation. Tilt. To adjust the tilt and viewing angle of the tablet, loosen the bolts on each side of the joint behind the tablet case using the hex wrench, then adjust to the desired angle and tighten the bolts back down.